everybody, welcome back to your girl Soraya Morris's YouTube channel. So I know that I literally silenced everybody for the last 5 weeks or so because I have been so busy, and also I have had nothing to talk about with you guys, and I really still don't have anything to talk about, but I just didn't want to completely silence everybody. So I decided to say hello to my subscribers and my fans. So hey guys, what's up? I'm doing really good, and I have really just been focusing on my schooling, and I've been reading a lot of books and exercising every day. So yeah, I just have been super busy right now, and I plan to make awesome videos here soon. But yeah, check out these beautiful earrings that I have in my ear. But let's get straight to this makeup video. Also guys, you guys know that I have this big palette, and honestly I have literally been so bored of this palette, and I'm just trying to use it up. I'm gonna get a new palette here soon. I really want some orange eyeshadow. I have no orange eyeshadow, so I definitely want some orange eyeshadow in my next new palette. I'm gonna get in a bomb palette for my next palette. But yeah, so I'm just trying to come up with whatever I can with this palette and just get this palette used up, because I don't want it to go to waste. So I think I'm gonna start with a brown today, or I don't know. I could literally go in so many different ways with what I'm feeling right now. Okay. I also have this Revolution palette that I bought, and I really haven't used it at all. So I might use some colors out of here too. And I really do like this sparkly brown, and I'm gonna use this sparkly brown today.
There's just so much left to say. Wanna get to know you in every kind of way, but you're speaking in tongues. You take the breath from my lungs. It should be shaking in fear, but instead I just want you here. Screaming at you, but it's like all my frustration.
Okay guys, this is the full makeup look for today. This is like an Xmas Christmas look, to be honest. It's more like your casual, like cute Christmas look. Anyway, this is a super easy, simple makeup look, and this is like one of more of my like casual looks. I know I usually go for like some bright colors whenever I'm feeling like in a spunky mood, but today I think I'm just kind of going for a more casual look. But anyway guys, don't forget to comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and also smash the like button. Anyway guys, share my channel to all your friends and post it on your Facebook timeline. Get my YouTube channel out there, and also like share it to your stories if you can. Anyway guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you guys till next time. So